Hello again, Martin here at Rainsoft, Ottawa. What we're going to talk about now is water conditioners. Now these systems are used if you have eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, or on a well and you want to remove hardness. The two big sellers for Rainsoft is the EC4 and the TC series. Both of them come with this salt brine tank. I'll explain the differences. The EC4 is the big seller. It's a system that will count the gallons that go through and regenerate based on usage. It's fully metered, and everything shuts off when you're not being used, so it actually saves on electricity. Less water, less salt, less electricity than its counterpart, the TC series. This will tell you everything, how many gallons you've used, when the next regeneration is, the time of day, probably everything you do and don't want to know about water. It will tell you. Lifetime warranty in all parts. Now, the second system is called the TC series. It doesn't count the gallons, but it is computerized, so if the power goes out, it will reset itself. You don't have to go down in the middle of the night after a power outage and start fiddling around with it. It is a little cheaper. It does use a little more salt, a little more water, and a little more electricity, so in the long run, they even out, but they both are extremely good systems and will take care of all your hard water and slight iron situations.